Rats are more than just a nuisance, they are dangerous carriers of diseases that threaten human health and hygiene. Rodents are known to spread harmful infections such as Leptospirosis, Salmonella, plague, Hantavirus, and food contamination-related illnesses in homes, factories, warehouses, farms, hospitals, and food processing units. Effective rat control is therefore essential for maintaining a safe and healthy environment. Trasy Enterprises offers advanced rat sticky trap-making machines designed for efficient, continuous, and cost-effective production of high-quality rat glue traps. Sticky rat traps are one of the safest and most effective methods of rodent control because they work without poison, chemicals, or smoke. They help prevent accidental contamination of food products and reduce risks to children and pets. The Trasy Enterprises machine uses reliable hot melt adhesive coating technology to produce uniform, strong, and long-lasting sticky traps with excellent trapping performance. The machine is suitable for various substrate materials and supports high-speed production with low wastage and easy operation. With increasing awareness about hygiene and disease prevention, the demand for sticky rat traps is growing rapidly in domestic and international markets, making it a profitable manufacturing opportunity.